Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Best wishes to all of us. Dear the honor of Rector Universitas Muhammadiyah Makassar, and whom we respect the participant of the first Econisip 2021. I am Valentina Adimurti Kusumani Tias, lecturer of Chemistry Department, Faculty of Science and Informatics, Universitas Jenderal Ahmad Yani. We'll present our research study with the title Drago-Elastogel Functional Modification on Gel Sheet using Resin Jernang Daimonorobs Draco. The authors Valentina Adimurti Kusumani Tias, Hasna Nur Azizah, Hajanita Mediani Utami, Rika Linda Melani, Rika Anggida Lentina, Indah Rosmala Dewi Melina. Next, abstract. A Drago-Elastogel is gel sheet from resin Jernang, is a moderately adhesive soft gel sheet that will protect the wound from shear, friction, and pressure, suitable as a protective padding and cushioning device as well as functioning as dressing to protect from infection and also to cure the wound. The Drago-Elastogel protects the cut from friction, bacteria, damage, and dirt. In this present study of resin Jernang exert its effects on wound healing through its antimicrobial and procoagulants properties, the alteration of physiologic and immunologic functions were selected for the construction of functional part of the gel sheet so that it can be used for wounds in diabetics. In functional part of Drago-Elastogel was finished with eco-friendly natural resin of Daimonorobs Draco. The EUCAS antimicrobial assessment was carried out on the extract of resin Jernang. Minimum inhibitory concentration and minimum bactericidal concentration was determined against Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Candida albicans. From the test, it was concluded as the lowest MIC values 50 mg per milliliter 1% was exhibited by ethyl acetate extracts of resin Jernang against Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Candida albicans. This study used to prevent the skin protect from the bacteria and also to cure the skin disease. Next, introduction. Daimonorobs, with almost 150 species, is the large Rotan genus. Local name Rotan, Jernang Klukup. Phytochemicals of resin Jernang are flavonoids, stilbenoids, lignans, terpenoids, steroids, alkaloids, esters, resins, saponins, with their bioactivity as antifungal, antibacterial, hepatoprotective, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-flagellate, anti-cancer, and diabetic ulcer wounds. Utilization. Local people particularly have long known the use of rotans, including Daimonorobs. These spiny climbers have long been used in the making of baskets, courts, furniture, and also fruits of some species, as reported by Dransfield, have been used for medicinal purpose by the Kubu tribe is being used to treat bleeding after giving birth, and as die. Next, taxonomy. Botanical name or species of jernang is Daemonoropsis graco. Next, there are 4 compounds with as blood clotting in jernang resin: dracorubin, not dracorubin, dracohordin, not dracohordin. Methods. In this study, the research method used is as follows: bioassay guided with fractionation. The antibacterial activity against gram-positive and gram-negative clinical strain were evaluated using the UCAS. Antimicrobial assessment was carried out on the extract of resin jernang to determine minimum inhibitory concentration, minimum bactericidal concentration against Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Candida albicans. Plant material. The resin of Daemonoropsis graco were previously collected from one individual tree from suku Anak Dalam or Kubu tribe, Jambi, Indonesia. Plant was collected with the approval and assistance of the local indigenous people. The resin were air dried and grinded into small particles using a grinder. The quality of resin jernang depends on the intensity of sunlight in photosynthesis process of the plant. Chemicals: Mueller-Hinton agar, Mueller-Hinton broth, dimethyl sulfoxide, sodium hydroxide, ethyl acetate, chloramphenicol, ketoconazole. Microbes strain: Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Candida albicans. Extraction and fractionation. Crude extraction was as previously done. Dried and grinded sample of resin jernang were soaked in ethyl acetate with the ratio of 1/3 parts of sample to solvent for 3 hours. Filtered and concentrated with a rotary evaporator. Then, after the resin were left to air dry completely for 3 days before repeating the whole process. The extract were kept at 25 degrees Celsius till further use. Next, result and discussion. The antimicrobial result for the ethyl acetate resin jernang extract is shown in Table 1, Table 2, and Table 3. Candida albicans was sensitive against the ethyl acetate resin jernang extract test with MIC 1%, MBC 1%. Table 1 inhibitory zone diameter of resin jernang. Table 2 MIC of ethyl acetate resin jernang against Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Candida albicans. Table 3 MBC of ethyl acetate resin jernang against Staphylococcus aureus, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and Candida albicans. Still, result and discussion. Sodium alginate is one of natural biopolymers as a diabetes wound dressing. Gave good result in the diabetics wound healing. The composition of resin jernang on diabetic: dracorubin, not dracorubin, dracohordin, and not dracohordin are compounds in jernang that have hemostatic and antibacterial activities. Pharmacologically, the use of resin jernang extract in wound dressing is nanofiber material has been carried out by Waluyo and Pasaribu, which show that jernang ethyl acetate extract has the potential as wound healing drug and does not cause swelling and irritation visual on the skin of the rabbit that has been injured in the healing test. Candida albicans was sensitive against the ethyl acetate resin journal extract test with MIC 1% and MBC 1%. Next conclusion, the use of resin journal in wound healing has been described by suku Anak Dalam, Kubu Jambi, Indonesia. As our technology improve, the mechanism of antimicrobial of resin journal and healing effects are slowly becoming understood. While unbiased, large randomized clinical trials are still necessary to elucidate precise scientific wound healing outcomes involved with resin journal extracts use. The majority of the literature that has accumulated throughout the past 5 years support the notions that resin journal is efficacious in improving healing in a variety of cutaneous wounds. Acknowledgement. The authors would like to thank you for the opportunity to become an oral presenter at the first ECONICIT 2021 conference, Universitas Muhammadiyah Makassar. Also, we would like to thank the support of the research facilities provided by Chemical Laboratory, Department of Chemistry, Faculty Science and Informatics, Universitas Jenderal Ahmad Yani. Reference 1 to 10, 11 to 19, 20 to 25. All authors say thank you. The first international conference on innovative science, engineering and technology, ECONICIT 2021. That's all for this presentation. If there is anything you want to ask, please write in the comment below this video. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.